Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Perspective. Beware of scientists showing videos of animal experiments. From the dawn of the moving image, animal testing has been understood as a media event. From Edward Muybridge's serial photographs of animal locomotion to Thomas Edison's infamous filmed electrocution of Topsy the elephant, films about animal behavior and testing have engaged the general public, and scientists tapped into this fascination, often filming their experiments for colleagues, students, and mass audiences. As media spectacles, animal experiments often took on new meanings that went far beyond studies of animal behavior. An early example can be found in the work of primatologist and eugenicist Robert Mearns Yerkes. During the first half of the 20th century, Yerkes oversaw the creation of many animal research films in his primate labs, which he said demonstrated his lab's ability to scientifically reveal the inner psyche of various individuals, races, and species. He films address broad behavioral themes, such as cooperation and motherhood, and he showed them in classrooms and conferences, often coupled with his lectures, where they served as evidence for his much broader claims. He concluded that speech with a film in which he said, "I am counting on the theatrical release you are about to see to bring reality to my subject. Here the actions of chimpanzees, such as a mother her child, one or how a chimpanzee responded to an intelligence test, took on new political meaning, as evidence for Yerkes' racist social project of eugenics, a field of genetics that proposed breeding better people through the institutional control and sterilization of selected human populations." Yerkes counted on the film as the evidence the public and other scholars needed to adopt his ideas about using racial categorizations to repair human cities. These grand ambitions were showcased when Calhoun himself entered one of his rat towns, reached down to touch individual rats, and explained their behavior directly to the camera. Towering over the rodent dwellers of his model city, Calhoun emerged as an imperious figure quite capable of realizing his vision of social progress. This is one of several films and videos Skinner produced during his long career in the mid-20th century, in which pigeons reenacted behaviors, recognizing themselves in a mirror, inventing new tools, and interpreting signs that are normally only found in animals of higher level, to see where cognitive functions. Films and videos like these were part of Skinner's frontal attack on what he called mentalism, the idea that our minds control our bodies from a space distant from the material world. Like a pigeon learning to perform certain behaviors in order to get food, Skinner argued that all human behavior is the product of an environment that either encourages or discourages action. Rather than praising some for positive traits and punishing others for negative ones, Skinner argued that society should embark on a massive restructuring effort to incentivize positive behavior and disincentive. He anticipated that his films and videos of the inferior dove behaving in seemingly human ways might suggest to viewers that human behavior, like that of the dove, is governed by the material world, and that the experiments might test the ability of the have-shown society to shape human behavior in the way he shaped those of his pigeons. Musk has claimed that Neuralink will one day create a new breed of humans capable of superhuman perception through their connection to computers, thus changing who we are not just as users, but as a species.